In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a business location on Instagram. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or simply someone wanting to boost visibility online, setting the right location for your business on Instagram can be a game changer. Not only does it make your business more discoverable, it also helps you to engage more effectively with your audience. So, let's dive into the details. Firstly, ensure you have the Instagram app installed on your mobile device and that it is up to date. Updating the app ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes, which can often affect functionality. Once you're ready, open the app and log into your business account. If you don't have a business account yet, you might want to consider switching to one for access to more tools and analytics tailored for businesses. To begin, tap the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. This icon will take you straight to your profile page, where you can make necessary changes. Look for the Edit Profile button, and tap it. You'll find this button just below your account's bio, and it's the gateway to making any alterations to your business presence on Instagram. Under the Public Business Information section, you'll see an option labeled Contact Options. Go ahead and select that. This is where you add or modify your contact points, including email address, phone number, and, crucially for us, the business location. Next, tap on the business address option. A screen will appear where you can fill in your business address details, like street address, city, and postal code. Enter the complete and correct address of your business location. It's vital to check your details for accuracy, as this information will guide your customers to your place of business. Once you're satisfied with the information you've provided, tap the check mark or the save button, depending on your device. This action commits your changes and makes your location publicly visible on your profile. It's important to remember that maintaining the accuracy of your location details is crucial for both your business's discoverability and customer satisfaction. Now that your business location is set, you might notice a more professional touch to your Instagram profile. Not only does the business location add credibility, but it also enhances the trust that potential customers place in your brand. It can be especially useful for local businesses striving to attract foot traffic from nearby or enhance their visibility in local searches. Finally, to ensure your changes have been successfully applied, revisit your profile page to check the visibility of your location information. Don't hesitate to tap through this process a couple of times to familiarize yourself with the settings found here. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to add your business location on Instagram. We hope this enhances your business's reach and interaction on this vibrant platform. Thanks for watching, and happy Instagramming!